Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Carol and I love beauty. So today I have something really exciting for you. I got sent this box, yay, from Sephora, and it's got a few of their brand new items in time for the holidays. And so I get to share them with you today. There's only a few things for the holidays. They have so many more things online and in stores. So be sure to check them out at Sephora.com or head to your local Sephora to see all of the holiday items that they have right now. And I will be doing a look with them at some point. I'll go ahead and link that down below when it is ready, but keep an eye on my channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit those notifications so that you will know when I get that video up. So that one will be coming soon. So let's go ahead and get started with this and start with our first item. First thing we have here is the Sephora Enchanted Sky Palette. And this retails for $10. It has 8 shades in it. This here has this gorgeous, gorgeous glitter front. The glitter does not come off, which is awesome. Oh, it's so pretty. We have these shades here. Looks like we have 4 mattes here, plus a couple of glitters and a couple of shimmer shades. Next, we have this lip cream collection. This is a lip stain, and it has 6 different shades in it, from neutrals to deeps. So let's give this dark shade a swatch. I don't think they have any actual shade colors. They're just part of the collection. This is a lip stain, so it's going to go on pretty dark. So that is a really pretty color. I'm actually really liking that color. It's kind of a dark berry. It's really pretty. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
We'll go ahead and do this neutral shade as well. Like I said, there are no shade colors on this. They are just part of the collection here. Oh, that's really pretty. That's very pretty. I really like that one. That looks like it's gonna be a good neutral for me. This collection retails for $28, and you can find it at Sephora and Sephora.com. Next thing we have here is this brush kit. This is a Starlit brush kit. It is $39. It comes with 5 different brushes plus a case. These brushes are so pretty. They actually match this here. They've got the glitter going on. In the Starlit brush kit, we have a foundation brush, an angle brush, eyeshadow, crease, and angled liner brush. Now, the next thing I am super excited about, this is the Once Upon a Night Blockbuster. This has like everything in it. It has 78 eyeshadows, 6 blushes, 6 highlighters and bronzers, 4 brow powders, 24 lip glosses, and 12 cream eyeliners. 12 eyeliners! That is like insane. This retails for $49. And I am like beyond excited about it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is everything. This is it. This is everything. So I'm kind of worried about opening it up like that. So we're going to open it up like that. Oh my God. 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 Holy. Whoa. Whoa. What in the world? Look at this. Oh, my daughter is going to try to steal this from me. I just know it. Look at all of that in there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is insane. So we've got all of the blushes here. We've got bronzers. We've got highlighters. We've got the cream eyeliners. And we have the brow powders. Oh my God. It's got a mirror in it. What? This is insane. All right, I'm going to try this iridescent. Okay. Okay. All right. I see you. Whoa. Do you guys? Okay. Okay. This is awesome. I'm really excited about this. Look at these shadows here. And these are the lip glosses here, and I think there's more on the other side. Yep, there sure is. Oh wow. Oh, that's cool. It kind of looks a bit like a lotus flower, doesn't it? It's so pretty. I'm gonna go with like a kind of a creamy white. This creamy white color here. That's really pretty. I'm so excited to play with this. Oh my God. Like I said, that video is coming up soon, so keep an eye out for that. And the next thing we have is this, and I'm so excited about this too. This is the Sephora Once Upon a Castle 24-day advent calendar. I'm going to be opening this up in a separate video as well, so stay tuned for that too. And yeah, I am so excited about this one. It's got 24 different things here. They're all Sephora brand. And yeah, so we're going to open that up. The link will be down below. I'll also put it right up here so that you guys can go right to it when you are ready to see what is in this Sephora Advent Calendar. And this calendar retails for $45. This is only available online. And I know from personal experience that the Advent calendars tend to sell out really, really, really fast. So if you want it, you got to get in on it now because it's going to be gone really soon. So that's just my advice. Just because I've tried to order advent calendars from Sephora before and they've always been sold out by the time I get there. It is available right now. And like I said, it's only available online. So you got to order it. You won't be able to find it in the stores. They do have other advent calendars available, but this one is the coolest one. It's so pretty. It looks like a castle. Love it. Sephora also sent me a few really great staples here. Some of their best face products. These are available year-round. They sent me the Lashcraft Length and Volume Mascara in black. They sent me the Sephora Retractable Eyeliner, waterproof, also in black. They sent me a Make No Mistake Foundation and Concealer Stick, and this is in the shade Birch, which should be right for my shade. Yeah, it's very light. This is one of my favorite products here. This is the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Translucent Powder. It is silicone based, which I love. It just makes my pores just disappear. So I'm excited to use this. They also sent me the 10-Hour Foundation. This is the 10-Hour Perfection Foundation in the shade Light, which might be a little light for me, but that's what bronzer's for, right? So I'm excited to try this. This is a medium coverage foundation. And then the last thing, and this one I will admit I dug into this morning. This is the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Set and Refresh Spray. I love this spray. I love it better than Fix Plus. I love it better than any of the other brands that you can find out there. This is like 100% my favorite setting spray. It's $16. You can find it online and in the stores. It's a nice, good size. It's 2.7 fluid ounces, so it's pretty good size. And yeah, so this is my favorite thing in the world as far as Sephora goes. I would definitely try this out. If you haven't yet, you will love it so much. So there you have it. That is the Sephora collection for the holidays. Just a few things for the holidays. You can definitely find them at Sephora.com, and you can find most of them in the stores as well. So I would definitely try picking them up when you can, or at least going to take a look at them. And like I said, I will be doing a couple more videos regarding these. I'm going to be opening up that advent calendar in a separate video, and I am so excited about that. And I will be doing a full face of Sephora products. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit those notifications so that you know every single time I upload. And we will see you again next time. Bye.